The main use of high-purity magnesium ball press. High-purity magnesium ball press is a kind of equipment to press powder material into balls. High-purity magnesium ball pressing machine is widely used. Can be high-purity magnesium powder, high-purity magnesium particles, mineral powder, metal magnesium, oxide skin, steel slag, iron fine powder, aluminum ash powder, magnesium oxide powder, and other powder materials for pelleting or ball pressing. The purpose of high-purity magnesium ball pressing machine is to reduce dust, control bulk density, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics. The design of high-purity magnesium ball press is mainly used for pressing dry powder into pellets. It is a model with high pressing force, good abrasion resistance, and easy demolding. High-purity magnesium ball press is a convenient, economical, and fast design of the new ball press equipment.